You can't be replaced. There's only one you. One mind. One soul. One story with your name on it. And no matter how many times life knocks you down, you can't be replaced. They might forget your name. They might walk away. They might try to bury your light, your voice, your value. But hear me clearly. You are not forgettable. You are not ordinary. You were built for impact. And that fire inside you? That quiet force that keeps pulling you forward? That's purpose. You've been doubted. You've been overlooked. You've been told to stay in your lane. But you didn't. Because deep down, you knew. You weren't made to blend in. You weren't made to shrink. You were made to stand up. To lead. To carry weight. To face storms most people run from and keep walking. There are people watching you who will never tell you. People counting on you to keep going, even if they never say it. You don't even know who's being changed just by watching you not quit. So don't. Don't stop now. Don't talk yourself into weakness. Don't let fear win. You've come too far. You've survived too much. You are not here by accident. You've been shaped by fire, tested by time, refined by pain, and still you're standing, still breathing, still fighting, still building. That's power. That's what they can't take from you. You are not broken. You are not done. You are not replaceable. So rise. Every day. Every time you fall. Rise again. Because the world has seen enough copies. Now it's time they see what happens when the original refuses to break.